Hi guys, Kevin here. Today we're going to break down ECI M1, a well-known ERP system designed for mid-sized manufacturers. If you're running a busy job shop, doing custom production, or managing made-to-order projects, M1 promises to help you move past manual systems and into a more automated, streamlined future. But is it the right fit for you? In this video, I'll walk you through its pros, its cons, and the pricing details you should know before making a decision. First off, what is ECI M1 all about? ECI has been around since the late 90s, and over time, they've expanded from e-commerce tools into full-scale manufacturing ERP solutions. M1 was specifically built for small to mid-sized manufacturers with 10 to 100 employees who are ready to transition away from paper-based tracking or QuickBooks. It's ideal for businesses managing complex jobs, small batch production, and custom manufacturing. Now let's talk about the pros. One of M1's biggest strengths is its enhanced scheduling capabilities. The software offers detailed production planning, including finite capacity scheduling, which gives you a clear look at your production limits and helps you reduce downtime. Another plus is scalability. Thanks to integrations like CAD-Link, M1 can handle more complex designs as your business grows. You won't need to worry about outgrowing the system anytime soon. On the financial side, M1 has its own built-in accounting modules, which means you get manufacturing-specific financial tools right out of the box. You can track work orders, costs, revenues, and even run payroll directly through the system. No need to bolt on third-party accounting software unless you want to. M1 also shines when it comes to analytics. It integrates with tools like ECI's Cognix, giving you advanced business intelligence dashboards that track everything from cash flow to equipment downtime, helping you make smarter decisions based on real-time data. Next up, let's talk about the downsides. Even though M1 has some great features, the user interface feels old and hard to use. Many people say the ribbons and menus are confusing, especially if you're not very comfortable with tech. There's also no easy way to customize it without coding. If you want to adjust it to match your specific workflows, you'll probably need help from experts or developers. Sometimes the system can be slow, especially if you're working with large files. This can depend on whether you're using the cloud version or hosting it yourself. Okay, let's talk about the pricing. ECI doesn't share the full pricing for M1 online, but estimates show it starts at about $1,000 per month. The cost increases depending on how many users and modules you need. M1 works best for manufacturers making between $15 million and $100 million in yearly revenue. Keep in mind, setting up an ERP system like this usually takes 4 to 12 months. The timeline depends on how complex your operations are and how much data needs to be moved over. ECI does assign you an account manager to help with setup, testing, training, and ongoing support after launch. This makes the transition a lot smoother. Overall, ECI M1 scores a solid 7.8 out of 10 in our review. It's a strong contender if you're a mid-level discrete manufacturer or job shop looking for better scheduling, accounting integration, and scalability. However, you'll need to weigh that against its older-looking interface and the extra effort required for customization. If you're curious about alternatives, platforms like Epicor and Infor Cloud Suite Industrial are worth checking out as well. If you've used ECI M1 before, I'd love to hear your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews, and I'll catch you in the next video.